Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Anthony from AskAnthonyJohnson.com, and I got another great video for you guys. I'm going to show you how you can convert your YouTube videos into text in just a few seconds. Okay, let's hop on over to YouTube, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of the links from one of my YouTube videos here, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this video and I'm going to convert it into text. So everything that I said inside of that video is going to get converted into text. So how you do that is you're going to copy this URL. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to go back over to this cloud-based application that I'm using. Now there's two ways how you can convert videos. One, you can use the URL what I just copied, or you can use a search term and you can go by the order by the relevance, or you can go by the most recent, most viewed, and you can use any on the license or use the Creative Commons. Now, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to use the video URL. So I'm gonna paste that inside of there, and I'm gonna click search. Now, what it's done is done found my video. In just a few seconds, I'm going to convert this into text. So all we're going to do is create post. So I'm going to click this, and in just a few seconds it's going to create that whole video into text, and there we go. So now I got my whole video created in text where I can use this content. I can create a blog post, I can use it, post on social media, I can use some of the content to create an ebook if I like. Whatever you want to do with the content, you can do it. So let's go over it a little bit. So what it does right here is showing you the video title. They got the reading time right here. It got 3 minutes and 1 second. You also have some email like formatting here, so you can do some bold, italic, and stuff like that. Adding links, adding pictures. So let's go down here. Now, if I had any kind of grammar errors and something like that, all I got to do is just click down here to correct grammar. So once I click that, it's going to go through there, and just that quick is already corrected the errors. So now if you want to add, let's say if you want to add an image to go inside of here, all you got to do is just click this button here, and we're going to go over here, and I'm going to search for image because I want to put an image inside of my context right here. So we're going to click search to make it really look like a sort of like a blog post or something like that. If you want to use this content to put on your website, you can also. So I'm going to use this image here. So I'm just going to copy this, and we're going to bring the text down a little bit, and we're going to post that image here. And there we go. Now I got an image inside of here. So you want to let's break up the content, make it look like a blog post here. So I'm just going to go in here, just make some spaces inside of here so you can really get an idea of how you can just turn every video that you created into a blog post. So now every time you create a video, you can also create a blog post of that video, so that you can have content inside of like Google. So now you got a video in YouTube, now you can also have content in Google. So let me break it up a little bit so you can really see how this is going to look. And see, there we go. Now you got an image and you got content that you can post. And let's say if you just wanted to get an image off your desktop or something like that, you just click here, and what that does is you can pull an image from off your desktop. So now there's some other features that I want to show you about this application here. So we got the feature image. So what that is, it just pulled the image from my YouTube video. So if you got a custom YouTube thumbnail, it's going to pull that. So that's what that is. And now you got the tags, and what it done is it pulled all of my tags that I got, that I added to that video. So this is also good. Let's say if you are looking at some competition videos or something like that, you want to know what tags are they using, right? So you can actually use this software right here to look at your competition's tags also. Okay, let's go over to Syndication, Now this is upgraded feature right here. So if you upgrade it, I think that they're linked up integration with Buffer, where if you can connect your account, you can start sharing your content onto different social media platforms. So we got one more. Now this is one if you have a blog plus. So let's say if you had a blog set up to this account, and it can publish that content to that blog for you once you have it set up. So that's what that does. So let's check out anything else. And I think that is it, guys. So this is how you can convert your YouTube videos to text in just a few seconds. So yes, there is one more thing. Yes, you can spin your content. So let's say if you got multiple sites that you need to post content to, right? So all you have to do is just click to spin the content, and it's going to spin that content for you, and now you can post that content somewhere else. So if you have a lot of sites or a lot of places that you're posting to, you need content for, all you gotta do is just spin it, or you can just put it into the best spinner or whatever software that you have. Just put it in there and spin that content, and then now you can post it on different social media platforms, or create a blog, or if you want to use some of that content to put in your email, whatever, however you want to use the content, that's what you can use it for. Okay guys, I hope that you like this video. Make sure that you like it, if you liked it, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks. Bye bye.